Hello and welcome to my online tutorial about virtual synthesizers. The first thing I'm going to teach you about is these buttons here, which are the oscillators. This is the high oscillator and this is the low oscillator. They control the vibrations within the frequencies of the sound files. So if you listen to the synthesizer at the moment, it sounds quite mellow, but if I click on one of the oscillators, I click here again, you can hear it sounds a bit more robotic as I've activated some of the vibrations within the frequencies. The next thing I'm going to speak to you about is the filters, which they've labelled as a envelope here to make it easier. The filters are what cuts off certain frequencies. It's a lot easier to see on this filter here, as I can restrict against a certain amount of frequencies. If I tune it here, I'm allowing everything up to 5 kilohertz and no more. So if you listen again, however, if I turn it down to only allow 80 hertz do, it should sound a lot different. As you can hear, the sound sounds a lot more bassy. The last thing I'm going to speak to you about is the amplifier, which is actually labelled incorrectly on here, as this is an ADSR chart, but an amplifier is what controls the power of the sound wave. Attack is obviously the A in ADSR. An attack is the attack of the sound is how long it takes at the beginning of the sound to reach its maximum volume. So if you see how it's set now, and listen to it, it has a very gradual increase. However, if I turn it down a bit and play the same key again, you can hear that the attack is a lot quicker. Sustain is how long the note will last for. So if I turn the sustain down quite a bit, you can hear that the note doesn't last that long. However, if I turn it back up again, you can hear that the note lasts a lot longer. Now, decay and release on the same dial, as that's how long it takes for the sound to die out. At the moment, it's rather low, so if you listen again, and if I set it all the way to the top, if you listen once more, so that's my online synthesizer tutorial about oscillators, frequency filters, and amplifiers.